Oh, it's a gray day out there today. Yeah. And I was trying to think of something I could do today, and I know what it is. It's troubleshooting an electrical light switch in my other room. I don't know where this switch goes, and I need to figure this out. Ooh, these look nice. Oh, they smell good too. Mommy got these from the store the other day, and it was pretty cool because they came with these little berries with the tulips. Oh, those aren't tulips, those are roses. Oh, those are nice. And I've got a light switch in here. I'm not sure if the light switch works. I'm pretty sure it does. And to troubleshoot it, I don't think anything's going on with it. I think it works, but I'm not sure where it goes. We've lived in this house for about 1.5 years now, and there's still different things I'm learning. Now this one here goes to these two lights up in here, and that one there is a directional, and that's probably this one here. And sure enough, that's it. See, they put dimmers on these, which is nice. And they got dimmers on both of those switches. So at night, if you want them down a little bit lower, you can. I kind of like that when people do that, when contractors do that. But this one here, I have no idea what it's for. And it's right here. And you know what? There's another light switch here. Now this light switch here goes outside. I know. Let's just see. I don't think it's another switch. Let's see. Okay, that's off. I'm gonna turn this light switch on. Okay. And that's a three-way from the other room. Okay, so I know that's on, and I don't think this switch will turn it off. Now let's just walk out there and see. No, I didn't think it did. Okay, that's a different switch altogether. That one over there. This one is a three-way switch. That's why, with it being off, it's on over there, because there's another light switch in that room there, in this room. Okay, so that's not the switch. Let's get this locked. Okay, we'll turn that off. So I know that's not the switch. What else could this switch be for? Now I just happen to have the as-built plans for this house, and sometimes you can go to the plans and look and see where different things go. Sometimes it's on there, sometimes it's not. I'm going to look on here, and I know this is the great room where the kitchen is, and there's that door going outside to the deck. Here's the study where we were. See, that switch is a three-way. That's connected over to this door over here, which says a 3. That means a three-way, and all those connect together. So I know that switch and that switch are hooked together with the 3. If that was a 4-way, that would have said a 4 connecting over into here. We look at this, and look at this. I might have figured it out. But see, initially I looked at this plan, see study library, and I saw 2 switches on there, and I thought, no, that couldn't be. But you see what's happening? One of the switches is for these 2 lights up there, but remember we have another light above the fireplace. See, 2-sided sealed gas appliance, AGA rated. That's the fireplace right there. It goes both sides. See, on the other side you can see where the great room is. So when you turn that on, it not only heats the great room, it heats the study here. And so there's no switch that goes up to the light that's above the fireplace. See, there's a light there for the fireplace, and that's controlled by this light switch here. See? And then these two switches, or these two lights here that are shown on the plans, are connected to a switch here. See? And we look at this again closely. And that's not what the plans show, did it? It shows one switch, boom, to this light, connected over to there. There's no switch that goes over to there, but there is a switch here. Boom, 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 boom. That goes to this electrical outlet right there. And see, half of it's darkened in and half of it's not darkened in. And that tells me that it's probably split. And so this light switch, one additional light switch goes over and turns half of the electrical outlet on. The other side stays on all the time. And we can look at that, see how that is, part of it's dark. And you come over here in the electrical symbols and see, here's the dark and clear right there, unshaded. Duplex receptacle outlet, split, wired. Look at that. So that should tell me that this switch right here controls half of that electrical outlet. And guess where that is? It's behind Momi's desk. I had my my light tester out, my electrical tester out and everything, because I thought maybe this switch controlled either the top or the bottom of a duplex electrical outlet, you know, like these here. And I was going to start testing all these in the room. And even though this is a study, isn't that funny that they ended up deciding to do that over there? They might have thought, well, maybe you want to have this study, you want to have it as a bedroom or something. Well, this couldn't be a bedroom. In order to show this, that it was a bedroom, you'd have to have a closet. You'd have to have a closet over here somewhere. Okay? But it doesn't. And that electrical outlet is over there. And I don't think I can reach it. Let's just see. Let's just see. Oh, you know what? There's an electrical outlet right there. Okay? There's one. I'll bet you it's that one right there. All right? So should I go the extra mile and show you that? I think I should. Mommy had this Buddha on the wall over in the dining area, and it was above this area here, and she ended up getting a picture over here. That's pretty cool. She put it there, but it was really tricky to put that Buddha up there because the holes on the back side were kind of funky, and it took me a while to get up there. So when I saw her move that, I was like, oh, brother. See the back side? I had to gouge this out and get the screws in there and everything. And it was hard to put that up, but oh well. Hey, she decided that's what she wanted to do. And what the heck is that? This was a picture, believe it or not, that a lion made. Yes, a lion made that. And I'm not sure if we actually have the picture of the actual lion. I don't know why she's got this all covered up. She wanted me to hang these paintings for her in here. But there was another lion. It wasn't this lion. It was a different lion. And they put the canvas out for him, or for her, and they put some paint on there, and then she licked it and pawed it and all kinds of stuff, and that's her picture, and they gave it to us for for helping them out, you know, donating to the wildlife cause. So let's just move this, and be careful here. Let's just see if it's that plug after all. And like I say, I'm pretty sure it is. I am pretty sure it is. Okay. We'll get this out of here. And we'll look at that. See that electrical outlet down there. And let's just see what's going to happen. Right now, I've got the light switch off. Okay? So my guess is either the top of that is going to be off or the bottom's going to be off. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.